In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to make YouTube thumbnails with AI for free. I'm Saif from DigiWhisper. Don't skip the pinned comment and description. And let's get started. We can create AI thumbnail without any types of complicated software or complicated skills. The thumbnail generator we will use, its name is FoxClip YouTube Thumbnail Maker, and it's completely free to use. We can just simply copy our YouTube video link and paste it in this software here to generate the thumbnail using AI. So let me show you how it works. I'm copying the video link here and I just drop the link in this box, and I can include the face here if I want to get the face on my thumbnail. And just now click here in the generate thumbnail button, and let's click here and wait a couple of minutes to make this thumbnail using this AI. And it's completely free for everyone. If you want to generate quick thumbnail using AI, you can use this thumbnail generator software completely for free. And see how good it is. So this way you can easily make any types of thumbnail using this AI software, and it's completely free to use. Now just download your thumbnail. I'm downloading it here and see. So this is the thumbnail I have created using this AI. Let's say I want to add my face here. So I'm again copy the link and dropping the link here, and I am uploading my face from here. So let's say I want to add this face on my thumbnail, and now click here in the generate button, and let's see what happens. It is generating a new thumbnail for me, and it is processing. It may take a few minutes. So it's done. See, this looks pretty awesome. Now I can click here to download it, and I can use it. So this is the thumbnail. I can use it now in my video. So in this video, I have shown you how to make YouTube thumbnails with AI for free. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.